Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer USDT on Ton from Bybit to Bitget Wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open the Bitget Wallet app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to latest version available. So as you can see here, this is my homepage on my Bitget wallets. Now, tap on Wallet tab at the bottom right. Here, all you need to do right here is to go ahead and click on the top here where you can see all mainnates. All you need to do is to click on that. So when you click on that, this is what you're going to see. All you need to do here is to go ahead and search for Ton. So when you search for Ton, all you need to do is to click on it. Now on your home page, all you need to do here is to go ahead and click on Receive. The next stage is to go ahead and click on USDT. Now when you click on USDT, you're going to see your address. This address is both the same for any other token. So whichever wallet address you choose to use, it is going to reflect on your balance. So go ahead and click on Copy. Copy the address. The next step you need to take here is to go to your Bybit app. Now you can actually use any other wallets to transfer this USDT into your Bitget. On this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Bybit in order to transfer the USDT to your wallet. So right on your home page on your Bybit app, all you need to do here is to go ahead and click on Assets. You can see that at the bottom of your screen. So when you click on Asset, just like this looking, you're going to see the amount of dollar I have as my balance. Here, you need to click on Withdraw. So when you click on that, just like this, all you need to do is to go ahead and select USDT. The next step you need to take here is to go ahead and paste the address you've copied right here. Then go ahead and select the network. But this way, a lot of people get confused. All you need to do here is to go ahead and select Ton. So when you select one just like that looking, you're going to see where it says tag or memo. Going back to our app just like this, you're going to see that there is no tag or memo right here. So we are going to leave that space blank. The next step you need to take here is to go ahead and input the amount of USDT you want to actually withdraw. The next step you need to take here is to go ahead and click on Withdraw. You can actually see that right at the bottom of your screen. All you need to do is click on Withdraw. After that, a confirmation prompt will appear on your screen. You just have to click on Confirm and you are done. So that's basically how you can transfer USDT on Ton from Bybit to Bitget Wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.